Chavere, Ichubo, the phenomenon, Jazz, Teller, G_Ramsey.
Get from my little sitting on this kitchen, Mr. Gallo, how you wanna learn fitty? Nagujo keep out there and listing it. Out I hate and I get it in. Catch your ear, taga, no. Money with at the edge, come a lot of my love.
Hey, Shafiri, it's your boy, the Welcome back. I'm back with another video. If you don't guess, you say guess. Today we're back to watch another video. Let's get into the reaction type of shit. France, but then let's tap into Ayo the vlogs, eating stranger food. France, whether they're going down with this one. I feel like it's now. Let's react to it. Yeah.
Oh, it comes with this Sprite. This is your Sprite. It's for her. You order for yourself. Let me just. Jesus! No, I'm just checking.
What are you doing?
I'm just checking if it's original Sprite because you know these restaurants fake Sprites. Hey, come and show you something. Do you know in Roman's Pizza, there's something called. Wait.
You even understand though, if this Bruella was near me and do this kind of shit, that will be on side. Will be on side, buddy.
Let me explain. Yo, I'm about to do a prank. Come and check if the mic is working. Yeah, it's working.
Is this a Bruella or what? Hey, this Bruella what?
Hey, how are you? How are you?
Hello.
I'm good. I'm Ayo.
Good.
What's your name?
Casey.
Casey. Do you live around here?
Yeah, no problem.
Not far. Okay. I see you eating nice, yeah.
Yeah. Special.
Today I don't feel like eating, so I don't think I'm not ordering anything.
Then you mustn't eat shrimp.
I mustn't eat.
Yeah.
You think so?
Why would this Bruella say you think so? Why do you say like you think so? Like to make you think, but you're gonna eat someone's food.
What's wrong? I'm just chilling. You look cute, by the way. Yeah, you're so cute, man. Jesus! I won't lie. I like your clothes, your fit. I mean, yo, looking gorgeous. Nah, I don't wanna eat. I'm not really hungry.
Food. You're eating someone's food. But you say you're not hungry. What the fuck is going on?
No,
What the fuck? You said you're not hungry,
I'm not hungry. Like,
but you want to eat.
man,
She seems so nice. She's calm.
I just saw you. I just wanted to compliment you.
But my pizza.
I wasn't eating. I was just tasting. I wanted to make sure it's good
You
for
wanted
you.
to eat it.
I wanted to make sure.
Listen, I want to make sure it is good for you. It's those kind of people like it's cool. Remember, it's cool. Like those Bruellas, big Bruellas above your grade, like they come. When you're eating by groups, okay, like they come. Because me back then, at school, I used to eat in groups in France. They come, they say like, hey boys, you're eating. Let's taste the salt. Let's taste what's going on in here. Bro, go and get your food though. What the fuck?
Come and show you something. Do you know in Roman's Pizza there's something called?
Hey, Bo.
Wait. Let me explain. Wait. But this pizza is nice. So You wanna eat it with me?
No, we'll keep it back. Just put it back.
It's already eaten. You want me to put it back?
Yes, put it back.
No,
Put it back.
I can't put it back. You know, it's not good for me to mix food.
No, it's good.
It's not food.
I
Like,
go.
it's not good for me to mix food.
This bro is doing too much.
No, I'm just
We
checking.
had a fight now.
I'm just checking.
My sister, you're saying you're gonna fight, but you're still calm. Why are you calm? Beat that ass nigga. So shy of me. So shy. Now we'll beat that ass nigga.
What's this?
It's Roman.
Come on, see. No, I'm just checking.
Fight now, must we fight? Put my picture back.
I must put it back. Box, leave the box. I'm gonna put it back. Leave the box.
Dog, Ayo, if you see this video, dog, please put me in this one video, dog. But you're the one who's gonna pay. I don't have money. But if you put me on this video, I don't have money. Just put me on the video. I do this with you like a young collab. A young collab. But you're the one who's gonna pay.
Thank you. I'm just joking sometimes. I'm joking. It's a prank video.
It's a prank.
We're shooting.
Oh my word. You're like,
Sorry.
Oh, my pizza and a coke for this.
A Coke. You weren't drinking a Coke, Moose.
So now you need to.
My sister, why are you demanding too much? It's not our fault that you were like calm and shit like that. You didn't attack him enough. So you want a Coke? Not even my size Coke. You just want a 2-liter Coke. My sister, pause. Wait. It won't go all in. You pause.
To it. Stay home.
Yo, start. You start. Yo. So you shooting young pranks today? Sure. Bro, why is the guy greeting me? I'm about to prank at KFC. Let me just go inside. Isn't much people chowing here, boy. Let me just ask this guy if he can buy me something. Do something here. Yo, boys, is it good? Good, man. Hey, I'm looking for this other street. Not from around here. Yeah. They say there's a McDonald's nearby. Yeah. Yeah, I wanna go to McDonald's. Let's go straight down here. Okay. It's just down here. Oh. After 4 streets. Okay. If it's down here, then it's cool. Because the guy. Yeah?
Bro. I hope you like this part of the video and please subscribe.
Just tasty, you know. Yeah, tell your sister the food is nice. Food is nice. It's been savage.
What am I gonna tell them with this feedback that you gave it a bite?
I don't know. Just wanna, make a plan with her. I don't know. I'll see you next time. I'm joking. No, bye, Narwan. I'm just pranking you. I saw you from that side, so let me just prank you. I'm sorry, I'm not bad. Joking.
Look at this piece.
True has money, eh? Let's be honest. True has money. Let's see something. I just want to see something. True has money. 43 subscribers per double video. But True has money. He has motion to buy another big man. I want to see something. True has money. It's been grinding. Let's see his videos. Oh, 533k viewers last year. 523 viewers. Like it reaches 100k. 2.4 mil. Brody has money. I don't wanna lie. But hey, please cover your boy, dog. But hey, because if you like this video, smash the video, like, comment, subscribe, shit like that. Shit made us bye. Bye. I have money. I just wanted to taste because I'm hungry. This is what I'm saying.
Miles, can you tell me what motivates you or who motivates you? Your mom, nigga. Shout out to Kudos. Thanks for the bits. Those.
I just want everything. I just want it all.